Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Okay, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to snowball, or rather, what's the meaning of snowballing on League of Legends. So basically, snowball first, in general, it's a noun that is going to be compiling or shaping a snow into a ball, then throwing it with your friends playing snowball fights, right? Now, if you refer it to League of Legends now, it has a different meaning. Now, snowballing in League of Legends is basically pushing the lane with your teams. Basically, snowballing means winning the line, winning the fight, gaining an advantage, a large scale of advantage towards the enemy or the opposing team. As you can see right here, we're pushing the robot, yellow robot right there, and now we're gonna try and eliminate it from the lane, okay? Now look at me here, I'm gonna push it over the lane or the robot, and there you go. The robot has been eliminated. This is what is called snowballing. As you can see, we are ganging up on one member or one enemy with my team and pushing the lane. So basically, the exact translation of snowballing is pushing the lane, winning the lane with your team or by yourself, okay? And that's it, basically that's it. Now, a few things to remember when snowballing, just a reminder how to snowball properly. Additional info for me is going to be pushing the lane and advance, okay? Hitting or prioritizing minions rather than the tower. And then after you finish all of the minions on the lane and all your enemies on the lane, then you focus on the tower. Because if you solely focus on the tower, you still have enemies on the lane, you'll be distracted. There are people hitting you, as you can see on this part. I'm gonna try and finish and push these minions in advance, rather than waiting for them to go on their tower to defend it, okay? And that's how basically snowballing works. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys at the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.